Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Babbel app. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on Babbel app. Here in this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.